Good day, sir, madam. I'm Vivian G. Arcilla, 32 years old. Married. I have 4 kids, 1 boy and 3 girls. I am high school graduate.
Hello, Miss Vivian. How are you today?
Sir, madam, I'm very fine.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
The right attitude as a good domestic helper, I am very hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid homesickness?
Sir, madam, I avoid my homesickness when I focus myself to my work.
Can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
The proper way to take care of the children is to giving nutritious food, caring, and I will love them as my own children.
In case you commit a mistake, what will you do?
When I make mistake, I ask my employer forgiveness and I will never do it again.
Okay, what is your last message or promise to your employer?
Please hire me from to finish my contract. 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Vivian, and good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.